Alright, so welcome to range 43, keeping track of information out here for the enduring range of the 82nd, and figured I'd give you a real quick walkthrough on how to keep track of some of this information on your own Excel document. So what you're going to do, if you want to create one, is you come up here, come up with the labels you want to create. So in this case, I've got all my headings filled out, and I'm going to go up here to the top, and I'm going to select all the categories up there. And in order to do that, I click Shift, and then click on the arrow key, come over, and select all those tables. Now, the reason I'm doing that is I'm going to either right-click and move down to Format Cells, or you can do Control 1 if you want to do the hotkeys. So what I'm going to do at this point is then click on Alignment. I want to make it to where it's not taking up too much space, so I click like that right there. Now, you'll notice when I click OK, all my headers have just created a narrow version of themselves. Now, I want to format this so that I can make these wider so that they'll be able to accept names being written in them. So I usually widen these up to about 20. Good, nice round number for both of them. If you select them both, they'll both widen out. Now, make a few corrections and adjustments. Alright, now that's going to do that. Now, to create the table in a way that makes more sense, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the whole thing, come up to Insert Table, and then click down here on Table. Now, you'll notice it brings up this dialog.
Alright,
so it's going to say where the table data for the table is. If you want it to be smaller, you can select less. Click on that. It's going to give the whole table. And then you can click My Table has headers.
And then receive your score.
All the headers you've just created will show up. So I click OK.
Next card, go ahead and get ready.
Now, you'll notice, now that it's done that,
my
input information will change the color on top. Now, when I go down and go with my current document, for example, what this lets me do is I can then sort by specific date, by specific month. I've got it set up where I can choose training week, sort by the training week. There it is right there. I can sort by rank. Right? And then the most important thing is when I have a day input of data to input, I'll input everybody's information and come up here, click on last name, sort A to Z. And when I do that, for that particular day, it sorts everybody's information alphabetical. Now, I only have 4/22 August selected, right? But you can do it based off last name, you can do it by first name, you can do it by battalion, brigade, whatever criteria you establish up here will allow you to sort by. Pretty useful tool, and we'll get into more in depth on it here in a little bit. Just wanted to give you all a real quick rundown of what the capabilities are and what the potential is that these tables in Excel can do for you when it comes to keeping track of this information. I'm Master Gunner Cell for the 82nd. This is Sergeant First Class Miller.